Good day mga future law enforcers. Good day, welcome sa aking page. Nandito naman ako para ma-refresh yung mga natutunan nyo sa school. Okay, let's start. Ano ba ang free will? O what is free will in simple words? People have the freedom to choose what they do. So may freedom to choose. They choose to do it fully responsible of actions, and they deserve punishment. Deserve nila na mapunish sila. At ang free will ay supported by classical school of thought in late 700s o 18th century. Sa classical school ito, free will. And next, what is determinism? Ito ay yung every action has a reason, or people's action are shaped by outside forces like poverty, mental illness, may sakit sila sa pag-iisip, kaya nagiging kriminal sila, kagaya ng mga psychotic, bad childhood, peer pressure. Itong peer pressure yung sa mga gangs o mga kaibigan mo. Kung may mga kaibigan ka nga addict, syempre magiging addict ka din. At and they need to be rehabilitated because ang mga sitwasyon nila ay nagiging biktima sila, or their situation made them victims. Ang determinism naman ay supported by positivist school of thought in mid to late 1800s or 19th century. They deserve to be rehabilitated. Question of the day. Do serial killers deserve to rehabilitate? Kung may sagot kayo, paki-comment naman sa comment section. Salamat!